Hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. You know I love trying unique things. Well, today I'm going to try something that's considered to be a healthy dessert. It's blondies that uses chickpeas. There's no egg or milk in this recipe, but there's chickpeas, and that sounds quite unique. Let's learn how to do it. This episode is dedicated to Dolce Flav. How intriguing. We need to grab a food processor. 1 can of chickpeas, garbanzo beans, that have been rinsed and thoroughly drained. A teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of applesauce, 3 tablespoons of oil, and let's blend it. Ooh, chickpeas have a really yucky smell, and they have a very unique taste. There has to be something I can do to this. I know! Dolce Flav flavorings! They're simply magical, and they come in over 70 flavors. There's no sugar in this. It's just flavoring. This will help these chickpeas for sure. I believe it. The flavor I got is cinnamon. This should be good. Just add a few drops to your baked goods. You can use this in candy, chocolate, cookies, frosting, ice cream, lip balm, smoothies, and more. Dolce Flav, I'm ready for you to rock my world. I'm also folding in a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and pouring that into an 8x8 baking dish. And I'm gonna bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes. These look good. And they smell great. They look so gooey and delicious. Let's see. The taste is phenomenal. You can definitely taste that flavor enhancer in there. And that chocolate is a wonderful touch too. Chickpea Blondies are awesome. I love Dolce Flav. Thank you, Dolce Flav. You have got to check out their website to see all of the flavors they have. You can get a lot of normal flavors, but you can get unique flavors too, like bubblegum, cotton candy, cake batter, ube, sweet corn, and more. There's a link in my description so you can check them out, and you'll get 10% off using the special coupon code JIM10. What do you call a shark wearing parachute pants? MC Hammerhead.